Well, hello there.
Hello from Animal Kingdom, Dino Land.
A little mouse told me that they're doing something special for annual passes.
So we're here to check it out to show you guys.
Yeah, but I believe it's only during weekdays.
Certain days.
Yeah,
Yep.
but they're doing like cookies and drinks.
Check the app, My Disney Experience. It's a free app. You can download that, sign in using your annual pass holder, and you get all the information.
Ooh, and you know what the most important part?
What?
Magnets are back.
Yay!
Yeah.
If you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. Hopefully subscribe, share with your family and friends, and they like us just as much as you do.
Right. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification because we do post every Tuesday and Thursday. And periodically, we may post 1 or 2 more additional throughout the week. Because we are really excited because Disney is finally showing us some love as annual passes. They have always done it due to COVID last year. They really didn't do a lot, but they're bringing it back, guys. So we're so excited.
Yes, one of the new announcements that Disney has made with the 50th coming up later this year.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Because we hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for clicking on the link.
So February 22nd to the 26th, March 1st through the 3rd, March 6th, 8th through the 12th, and then the 15th to the 19th.
You get a free magnet. I think we already had this one, but
No,
who cares?
because it has the bee.
Oh, it has a bee. That's a new addition. I don't know if you can see it
This
there.
is from the Food and Garden, I think, last year.
Alright guys, over here at Dino Bites you can get a, oh, it looks to be a sugar cookie with the same magnet but in cookie form. This is really cool. I'm glad that they're starting to do this again.
They have little snacks everywhere, don't they?
Yeah. Over here at Restaurant over here, they have 4 different drinks. We're not gonna probably do that, but the cookie is $3.79, and you do have to have your annual pass on you. They do not scan your magic band, so you have to show them that you have the golden ticket, as she said. So I'm not sure how much is showing on the camera, but here's the pass holder weekday offerings that they have. They do have 4 drinks. That's Restaurantosaurus Lounge, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Fossil Fuel, and Pterodactyl Punch, and Triceratops Pop. They have different locations here throughout the park that you can try over here in Dino Land, USA. But it's really cool. It's really cool. We're having a lot of fun. If you're naughty but a goodie, you know the first thing we do when we come to Animal Kingdom is ride Expedition Everest.
You're not wearing your shirt.
I'm not wearing my shirt, no, I'm not. But this ride is the best. And another favorite ride of ours here at Animal Kingdom is Flight of Passage.
What do you think of the ride?
We haven't eaten anything, so I think that might have had a lot to do with a lot of the nerves. But
Our stomachs kept going up and down.
It was a lot more wetter than usual.
Well, they actually spray you this time.
I know.
The Kali.
Don't premature Khalees. No, it was awesome. You cannot come to Animal Kingdom and not ride this ride.
And Expedition Everest. This is my favorite ride. Expedition Everest is your favorite ride.
It is. Now, Navi, that's always a toss-up.
It's cool to see, but is it? Who knows? Let's see what they have at the shop.
Yeah. Well, today was a heck of a lot hotter than when we went to Melbourne, but it was so fun.
We tapped out, so we were only here a few hours. So maybe a short video, but that's okay. At least we can show you the goodies.
Yeah. And we'll link down below too. Maybe put like right here, maybe, I don't know. The website. Basically, it's the Walt Disney World Annual Pass website.
Or on the Disney Experience, My Disney Experience.
I didn't see anything on there.
They might.
Yeah.
Well, we call it MDE for short, My Disney Experience app.
Yeah. When I looked at online ordering for the restaurant stores, I did not see the drink that they had there. So I don't know.
Wrong. Or come back and check it out.
Yeah, definitely. But it's only on weekdays. For if you're in a pass, it's only for the weekdays. Come here, get your free magnet. It's awesome.
It's cute. The cookie was pretty good. The sprinkles were super adorable.
They were. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for checking in and watching our video. We really do appreciate it. We hope that you do enjoy all our videos, and if you do, check us out. And if you want to, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and get notified when we do post videos.
Share with your family and friends. They might like us too.
Yeah.
I think we have some cool videos.
I think so too. But yeah, we have a wide variety of different videos, but definitely check us out if you do want to subscribe. Like I said, subscribe. But thank you again for watching, and thanks for everything that you guys do for us.
Yes.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.